Good morning, everyone. I'd like to apologize, but for some reason we couldn't locate the recording of the LCAMP meeting held last week, whereby some of you as partners were present. Your presence has been noted and recorded as well. So I am doing this video for those of you that could not attend and give you an update of what's happening. So basically, what will be telling you is what is going on, what we've done, and what is in progress. Okay, so we'll start off by informing you of the LCAMP conference webpage on the LCAMP website, LCAMP platform. The page is up, it's available, and there are videos and photos so you can see last year's successful event. We're really looking forward to the next one in the Basque Country in April, so that is ready. What we would like your support with is the workshop scheduled for the 20th of November. You have been informed by email about this. And basically, what we need from you is to bring 2 people and 2 students. So 2 adults that could be part of the alliance or an organization or an SME or a startup or a company that could help us with the workshop to improve the LCAMP website, its visibility, and where we should structure and put certain activities on the website. This is to ensure we have a seamless user experience for the platform. So basically, we would really appreciate that you invite a couple of people. In my email, there are the invites in the emails that you can just forward. So we would really appreciate it if you could pass them on and invite people. So it will be on the 20th. There'll be one after each other. We'll have the one for the alliance members and other users, and one for students. Okay, so it's on the 20th in the afternoon. So that's what we need your help with. What currently is in progress is we received the filters for the reports last week and for work package 3, and we will be working on this in the coming days. So that way we can filter the reports according to what one needs, okay? And we would also like to inform Work Package 3 about InnoReader, which is an application that we can use to plug into the observatory that could give us information by scraping the internet and provide us with an overview of what one is looking for in terms of what future roles and job profiles one could try to apply for or work in. As regards Work Package 5, the front-end elements are visible to the end user. So if you go on the website, on the platform, you will see it. May I remind you, platform, website, same thing. That's why I use them interchangeably. So you can see over there as well the progress made so far, still ongoing, but it's visually there. Work Package 6, we are reviewing the feedback on the LFSATs and we are making corrections. So this is also a work in progress. And we have started work on Deliverable 6.4, which is a repository of the collaborative learning factories courses with downloadable content. So this is coming soon as well. As regards Work Package 8, as I said, we will be redesigning the LCAMP Cube. That is why we need you to invite people for the workshop of 20th November. And we will be coordinating translations of the necessary platform pages. This all needs to be done before the end of the project. We will also be redesigning the library, which will be part of the general redesign of the LCAMP platform for Work Package 9 as well. So that is it from our end. Thank you for listening, and I wish you a great day and a great week.